Good morning, Applied Level 3 General. Welcome to our second video for week 10. This video is revision preparation for your speaking assessment. I hope your writing and reading assessments went well, and I'm sure your speaking will go very well too. Today I want to present to you a couple of videos of group discussions and some functional language that's used during the video. So here I have a list of some group discussions, and we have these people are all in a very similar situation to you. They have to discuss a topic, develop it, express opinions, just like you. Here the topic is, the first one, is it better to study online or in a regular classroom? Very, very topical subject for us. And in this video, so you'll have lots of examples of functional language to use in your group discussion. Here's some of the things that they will look at. And a good thing about it, there is a teacher who explains and shows you when the language is being used. I recommend that you use the captions or the subtitles while you're watching the discussion, because sometimes the sound isn't always very clear when the students are speaking amongst themselves. Then there's another one. This one is social networking can be too dangerous for young people and should only be available to adults. Again, very topical subject at the moment. In this discussion, there are only 2 young people participating. Again, there are good examples of functional language that are used. And one drawback about this one, though, it's not very natural. Why? Because the students, you can see the students reading their contributions. Now, this is something that we don't want you to do, and you'll see it doesn't seem very natural while they're doing it. Our one must be natural, so you mustn't read. Also, another interesting thing about this link is that it contains a link for further practice. I'll just show you that. Here is the YouTube video. Social networking can be too dangerous for young people, blah, blah, blah. And here, just beneath it, is some extra information about this. And so watch the video, then click here for practice activities. So you click on this link and it will allow you to do some further practice using the functional language. There's a last one, also very interesting. You'll want to improve your writing in English. You all want to improve your writing in English. Talk about different ways of developing your writing skills. Now, this is interesting. It might be a little bit more difficult, but listen to how the speakers develop their ideas. Observe how they ask each other questions. Notice how they agree and disagree with each other and explain their opinions. Now, what I suggest you do, because I've also given you some lists of functional language. You've already seen this one, giving opinions, agreeing, asking opinions, disagreeing, partly agreeing. You've seen this one as well, and I've given another one here. But what I want you to do is, as you listen to the different videos, try to identify if they use any of these. Read these, and see which ones they use. Maybe they use examples that are not in these lists. So write them down. What sort of an example of functional language is it? Is it a disagreeing one? Or is it agreeing? See if you can put the example that you hear in the video, can you put it into one of these categories? I think that could be very interesting. A good revision task. Okay, well, I think that's all I want to say to you today. I wish you really to do well. Good luck in your assessment, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Right, bye.